Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting comparison video. Today we are comparing Galaxy S25 FE and Galaxy S24 FE. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both Galaxy phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.7 inches Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Exynos chipset. Camera features. They offer 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultrawide cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both Galaxy phones include 5G connectivity, studio speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.